In this video, I will show you how to add captions on TikTok videos. Captions are a great feature that helps many people. They are especially useful for those who are deaf or hard of hearing. It also helps when someone is watching videos in a noisy place where they cannot turn up the volume. With captions, everyone can enjoy the content without missing important speech or dialogue. To get started, open up the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all features. Next, tap on the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From here, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it. Within Accessibility, there's a subsection called Content. In the Content section, look for an option called Captions. To enable captions for TikTok videos, simply toggle on the switch next to Captions. Once toggled on, any video that supports captions will automatically display them while playing. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.